Hi, and welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin. Today's subject is how to make it in music or any other field. There are many aspects to becoming a successful musician. Like many other fields, it requires a combination of talent, intelligence, training, and consistent work. We can explore all the intricacies of the nuts and bolts of carving out a career, but today I'm going to focus attention on one particular aspect of how to approach developing a career in music, which relates to almost any endeavor. Sometimes the hardest thing is just knowing where to begin. You're faced with a myriad of possibilities of what to do each moment of every day. The great trumpeter Adolf Hirsch said, "Analysis equals paralysis." It would be comforting to have a clear vision of all the steps involved in carving out a successful life in music or whatever it is you want to achieve. But the reality is often murky with vague possibilities of how to approach building a meaningful career. But sometimes you have to just do something in order to know how to proceed. It's like if you were lost in the woods. Obviously, just standing there, you aren't going to escape to safety before dark. But you certainly don't want to get deeper into the abyss surrounding you. So, what is necessary is to start moving and looking for clues. Perhaps you know that there is a mountainside beyond the road you entered the forest. But you can't see through the thick brush. But if you come upon a stream, you can notice the direction of the water and surmise it must be coming from a higher elevation. So you can follow the stream and hope it leads to something familiar. Then maybe there's a clearing, you can see the mountainside, and you know you're on the right path. Or perhaps not. You may have to make adjustments along the journey to safety. It's exactly the same thing when trying to carve out a new path in your life. You must take steps in the general direction you want to go, even though you don't know exactly where you're headed. As time goes on, you make the necessary adjustments in your direction in order to achieve the desired goal. You will learn how to achieve success as you face obstacles, learning what works and what doesn't work. Whole new avenues of possibilities will emerge as you bravely power on without the comfort of a clear plan. This is the way most people find fulfillment in their lives. Only from the outside looking in hindsight, does it ever appear that people know exactly what they're doing. Adversity and unexpected twists and turns are the foundation for building a plan of action. So, even if you don't know exactly where you're going or how you're going to get there, you must move in the general direction in order to gain clues and insight as to how to achieve a fulfilling life in music or whatever it is you have a passion for in life. Just like finding your way when you are lost in the wilderness. I hope this life lesson resonates with you. I'd love to hear from those of you who have either bravely forged ahead in life, though you didn't know exactly where you were headed, or from those of you who are trying to gain the courage to take the first step to a new life. You must keep moving forward as you learn from both adversity and success. Thanks for joining me. Robert Estrin here at livingpianos.com, your online piano resource. Thanks for joining me on Patreon and all you subscribers. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.